What's going on, guys? 727 Cards here with a break of UFC Top of the Class. This product just came out. I had it this morning, actually, about 5 minutes ago. It only took like a day to ship. It was honestly ridiculous. It's the quickest shipping I've ever had. In this, you get 5 cards, 2 autos, and 1 big relic. There's that pack. Empty box. Never broken anything UFC hobby before. Material. Okay. Just transfer the base to the front. Misha Tate. Bantamweight. Non-numbered. Cain Velasquez, heavyweight. And our first hit. Wow. It's a nice patch. I collect them too. Luke Rockhold. At a 199. What is that? Fighter worn memorabilia. It feels like the shorts. I got some of the MMA shorts. So, feels like that. Alright, let's see what our 2 autos are. Wow, I don't usually see patch autos. Nice. I'm going to put the last one back here. Demetrius Mighty Mouse Johnson with a patch. What's this numbered? It's not numbered? Really? Huh. Usually the number. That's pretty nice, though. This box was only $30. So, and our last one should be an autograph. Let me grab one of my covers. Cover it up. Alright. Last one of the break. Joanne Jędrzejczyk. Nice. She's a nice upcoming fighter. I always like to get the women autographs. They sell good. Alright. Awesome. Well, there's our hits. Luke Rockhold, Demetrius Johnson, and Joanne Jędrzejczyk. Cain Velasquez and Misha Tate, main ones. Yeah, I'll probably be getting another box of this. It's a really good product for $30. That's better than a blaster box, and you get a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day.